guys, it's Jazz of Jazz Creations and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how I glammed up this clock that I bought at Home Goods for $2, and it's just a regular clock. You can probably find it at any secondhand store, or you might even have one laying around the house that you just want to give some new life to. I'm going to be showing you how I repurposed mine using only contact paper and a little bit of spray paint. So let's get to it. Thanks for watching. I'm just going to take my screwdriver and unscrew the screws from the back. With the hands of the clock, I'm going to try to keep them in the order that I took them out in. Now, if you want to keep the middle part as is, you might want to cover it with tape. However, I'm covering mine with contact paper, so I chose to skip that step. I'm just going to take some glass cleaner and clean off my glass while I'm waiting for the rest of the parts to dry. Now I'm just going to place my contact paper over the clock that I want covered, and I'm going to use my X-Acto knife to cut to size. And since I kept my hands in the same order, it's pretty easy to figure out which way to put them back on. Now I'm just going to take my screwdriver here and screw the screws back in the back of it. Guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it and subscribe to my channel. I'll have a new video coming really soon, so be on the lookout for that. And you all have a blessed day.